I'm Jared. I founded RevGenius. We have 60,000 go-to-market leaders. Came across Namit in our community because he was providing so much value and deliverability. And what really separated one from the other, and why I'm like, I still might push him to let me switch everything to him, even against his better advice, which is great. Like, I don't think any of the mailboxes went down, but like Zap Mail, twice a month, will lose as many 20 to 25% of the inboxes at any given time. I'm pretty sure like 7 to 10 of 40 to 50 went down, which is like crazy. But even if it was the same exact product as Zap Mail, like Namit is here for me, teaching me how to improve deliverability. I just looked at the stats and Aerosend was like clearly above, and for the same effing price, I'm gonna just switch it.
So we have my favorite or creator of my favorite community here, and very, very excited to record this testimonial. Thank you for doing this, Jared.
I send emails too.
Well, first, for the people, the very few people who don't know you in the community, could you tell me a little bit more about you and RevGenius?
I'm Jared. I founded RevGenius. We have 60,000 go-to-market leaders worldwide. We live in Slack, online, some corners of the world, and I'm excited to be here. I've been doing it for 5 years, this community thing.
Jared's humble enough to not tell you that he helps multiple companies, and there's like the hidden success metric behind multiple successful companies. So before we get into this, like if you're a go-to-market leader, you should definitely consider RevGenius. One thing, Jared, so you've been using Aerosend for a while. Would love to know more about your experience, and yeah, what else have you tried?
So I'm still using Zap Mail.
Okay.
And right before this call, I asked you if I could switch everything over to Aerosend. You said, don't do it. You need to diversify. I've tried Zap Mail. Zap Mail's good. But emails were going down. And, I split between Aerosend and Zap Mail. There's no need to do any others. And then came across Namit in our community because he was providing so much value and deliverability. And he helped me with Zap Mail. Didn't try to sell me anything. In fact, tried to give me, and I accepted eventually for free, like 20 domains. I'm like, this is like not even like fair. Like, yes, sure, I'll do it. And what really separated one from the other, and why I'm like, I still might push him to let me switch everything to him, even against his better advice, which is great. Like, I don't think any of the mailboxes went down. You'll tell me that for sure. But like Zap Mail, twice a month, we'll lose as many, or like we'll lose as many as like 20 to 25% of the inboxes at any given time. I'm pretty sure like 7 to 10 of 40 to 50 went down, which is like crazy. So like that's first and foremost. But even if it was the same exact product as Zap Mail, like Namit is here for me. Like there's like literally, like I'm dealing with Zap Mail's customer service, like, and no disrespect, they get back to you via email. They're fine, like rotating things out. But Namit's like teaching me how to improve deliverability. He's coming in, and I shouldn't even say this because you all will start with him and then ask for the same. He'd be like, "I'll do 50 domains with you. Can you help me set up SmartLead?" The answer is he can. If he has time for it, it's another thing. He had time for me, and I would make a bet that any new client that bought a decent amount of domains, greater than 20 or so, he'd probably do the same for at least for like an hour. And at the end of the day, when you're doing when you're operating in the gray area, right, like email sending, you need a tool that's going to work, but you need a team that knows more than you. And I could honestly say that's the case with Namit. I bet, but like, I just looked at the stats and Aerosend was like clearly above, and for the same effing price, I'm gonna just switch it probably, but he'll still hold me back. Literally, the only thing holding me back is Namit, mixed with a little bit of laziness right now. But otherwise, I bet he would switch it for me. That's who he is and the company he is.
Thank you. That's very sweet of you. Yeah, that was insane. So, last question. So, if someone was on the fence of Aerosend Air, should I try it? Should I not? Does it work? What would you say to them?
Split it and test it. Like, that's honest, and Namit would tell you the same.
Perfect. So I know that people can find you in the RevGenius community. If someone ever wants your help, is RevGenius the best way to go, or what's the best way to reach you?
Yeah, so Jared at RevGenius.com. If you're a data company trying to cold call me, like Apollo just did, call me my name, Jared, and not look for somebody else. That looks really bad if you're cold calling the wrong people trying to sell data. Remember that. And then also, no shade, I promise. LinkedIn.com/in/Jared Robin. Try to cold call me, see if you have a good product. And if you do, don't make it a cold call, make it a warm call. Say, I saw you talking about domains and deliverability. Is Namit legit? If you started it like that, my response would be, fuck yeah, what's your name? And that would open me up really well.
That's interesting. Oh, wonder if there's like an AI tool which just does this. That'd be cool. Like finds
If you sent me AI, I would say it's not a fit.
Thank you so much, Jared. This has been insane. And yeah, I'll talk to you soon.
Let's go. Keep on here for a sec.